Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 379. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, everything in between. I am definitely more awake right now, more awake versus this morning, but I'm still a little bit rusty. I need to figure out how to kind of get my mind back in the Leetcode shape. Or maybe it's just one of those things. It's just very cold here in New York. I went running in the snow earlier today, and it was very cold. And also, my apartment's very cold. They haven't turned on the AC. Anyway, you're not here for that. But yeah. This is a live recording of the contest. Each problem will have its own video, so if you want to look for solution explanation, definitely look for those. Here is just so you could see what a real contest from this guy looks like, with no whatever. But let's go. 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, go go go. Another 7-pointer. No 2-part question. I don't know what that means. Let's see. That is very weird, but okay. I don't know why I'm so slow in this one. This is pretty easy, obvious. Max, right? Yep. Kind of scared. There's so many silly mistakes lately. What are we doing? The queen does not move. Okay. A weird problem, but easy to do. Really a target, but okay, fine. So now 64 times 64. Okay, yeah. Hope this doesn't come back to bite me. Bishop and rook. Okay. Okay. What is this weird problem? Yeah. I probably should add a function here, but I don't know. Maybe this is one of those silly optimizations that I do. Just so like there's so many places for a typo. 2-1, right? Oh, because you cannot go across them. I actually did forget about this. As soon as I submitted, I was like, wait, they're not independent. Okay, fine. How do I fix this? People got it. 6 people got it. All right. Well, this is already a little bit sad, but okay, fine. Oh, it's not quite like this, is it? Poop. We don't have to worry about the queen blocking because we'll just eat it, so that'll end it. But nope, the other way. There's probably like a cleaner way to do this, but well. Fine. This is so much copy and paste. Oh, this is why I want to do it this way. This is also where having proper scoping helps. But okay, this part is good. So I redo it in that cheating way. Oh, but also I messed up. I only did 2 diagonals, don't I? Yeah, wow. This is a mess. Where does this I come from? Did I just does this just not work at all? My code is so bad. Ah, man, today is not a good day, I guess. I think the 5-minute is actually kind of worse than the other thing. Because I could stand being long. It's just, this is so silly. And this isn't even close to being right before. Okay. But I still have to do the blockage thing. What was it? 1 1 1 4 1 8, something like that. Okay. That was silly. Okay, let's finish this. So you move half from the beginning, half from the end. Okay. Is it greedy? A lot of numbers. Greedy makes sense, but that might not be all of it. Okay, so basically, we need to sort, right? Okay, right. If this one. We just return the length of this one because we can't do anything about it anyway. Otherwise, I think this is the good case, right? Maybe. Yeah. Then the question is, if this is they're both big enough. Okay. Otherwise, in this section, is you gonna right. Both too much. I think it's just case analysis, but I'm like, my brain is not really working well. Otherwise, okay, you have 6 and you have 2. How do you get 5? Right? Do you just, we always just want to remove it from the thing that's from the more. What if they both have more than half? If they both have more than half, you could. Then you have a choice. So this is the unique of part 1. This is unique of part 2, right? And then it is just about getting it up to half, right? So then now, what is that math? I'm putting it back. Each of these belongs to both, so it doesn't really matter what, right? So, okay. Did I get this right? I meant this. Two, 6, 6. Ooh, 5. Why did I get 6? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Why? Oh, oops. Why? Tell me why. Oh, I see. That makes sense. So that means that, okay, fine. All right. They should be unique anyway. Oh, there should be no in this section. Is this right? Yeah, YOLO. Okay, good. How am I doing? The 5 minutes kind of sucked. Should have done that much quicker. Good job, Chi-Chi. Okay, focus. Don't look at Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi's been on hot streak now. Right. S and K. You have a string, you have an integer. Choose the longest prefix of S that contains at most K distinct. Delete the prefix. Change them. And you have one operation. Okay. Maximum number partition. Okay, so you have K is equal to 2. It's just DP, right? Maybe? Is it a fast enough DP? I don't know. I mean, it's going to be n squared if you're not careful. Oh, it's maximum, not minimum. What? Oh, it's you have to choose the longest. So it's not a choice. This shouldn't be choose, this is fine, right? That would be an easier way to write it. Okay. How am I doing on time anyway? Not sure I haven't done Q2 yet, but okay, so it's forced, otherwise this wouldn't make sense. K is 26. Why is K 26? Does that matter? Oh, I guess distinct characters. Okay, fine. Is it still DP? You can binary search, but that's not very helpful, is it? Well, you could get the solution for the rest. Okay. So changing a character only changes the suffix. Yeah, changing a character into suffix, so you could calculate all the prefix answers. And whether we've changed it yet. Maybe. Let's say we pre-calculate all the next characters, right? Can we still brute force that way? Oh no. Can I look at this backwards at all? I don't know if that's easy. This is a 7-pointer. I'm here somewhere. Now. The next unique character. Actually, that means that you only do 26 things because every time you move, so the number of partitions, no, that's not true. It's 26 per partition. And then you have to kind of loop through it again. Huh. You have a sorted list. Allows you to do it once, but then you still have to keep on putting stuff in, so I don't think that's quite the same. I don't really have an idea. Someone got it right already though. Is it a caching problem? Feels like a caching problem, or like not a caching problem, but like a problem where you save on calculations. 10,000 and log in times alpha. For each character, you go to the next one. Is that too expensive? Sliding window? Oh, sliding window. Why did I forget about sliding window? So we could do sliding window to calculate. To right. That would be like a reverse sliding window. And then now we can force the rest just based on the maybe? So this is basically well, length of counter is less than k. Something like that. It's at most, so it should always go to the end. Okay, fine. And then now left goes to the right, right? Left to right. So then now to, and then so this includes everything from left to right, and then now we move left. How do we remove left? Oh well, plus one, but then now we move right, and yeah. Okay, and then now I wrote this map. So then now all it takes is for every cell. Can we prove force now? Yes, fine. Then maybe 26 times n times log 26. Yeah, okay, maybe fine. Only 2 people got it right. Alright, let's print it out real quick. The 2 unique is 0 to 2. Okay, 1. Is that right? That's not right. This isn't right. Because basically we want to keep on going if this is inclusive, right? Because we have to. So okay, so this is adding new ones. And maybe I need another way to and separate in counter, then okay, then now it should be all 5s, right? Okay, that's good. That's good. I mean, it's not great, but it is expected. So 1, it goes to 2. Okay, and okay. Okay, and then now what are we doing? Now, did Chi-Chi finish? Well done, Chi-Chi. He's on the roll. I don't know how to do this, so I don't know. In fact, I mean, all but 3 people know how to do this, so I don't feel that bad. But yeah. Okay. So then now we just have a next thing, right? Okay, yeah. This should be fine. Okay, right? And then now, what are we doing? Nope. Okay. Is this right? Looks very well. Oh, that's why. should have one. No, it should have an A. What is going on here? What? 4 0. Yep, that makes sense. 0 0 also makes sense. Oh, whoops. Okay. I was wondering. Yeah, this is always awkward to print. But okay, you have an A and you have a C. So the next A is at 1, next C is at 1 or whatever. Said it wrong, but whatever. 0 2. Okay, so that's good. And then now, okay. Now we brute force, I guess. Maybe? How do we brute force? Actually, kind of thought about it the wrong way. Does it matter what we change? So it only matters what we change within a partition, right? What is this 2 thing again? Oh, that's if we're starting from here. This allows us to... Well, this allows us to pre-calculate the thing, right? So we have to get a suffix from that. But how do we do the other part first? So let's say you have this partition. Is it DP? In a way it's DP, but yeah, I guess DP is fine. I don't know if all this is necessary, but this is force. Okay, so then now if used, then we just return go 2 of indexed used, right? Otherwise, this, I'm just curious here. Just making sure that this doesn't do anything crazy. Also, okay, reasonable running time. May not be most complex, but okay. Otherwise, we want to say, oh, is this +1? Just curious to see if this, okay, so it gives us 1, which is true, also 1, which is true. This is 3, also true. Okay, that's good. or like it's what we expect. But now we want to change one of these. If it's used, we have no choice. Otherwise, we can choose whether we want to use it or not. So you can do best is equal to gold 1, or now we have to change one of the characters. It's actually kind of hard, isn't it? Because basically we want to, I guess if we're going to do a thing iteration to it, then maybe I don't know how to do it. Is it deep copy? Does that work? Make sure they're not pointing the same reference. Okay, they have different references. Okay. That's going to be 26 squared then, if I do it sloppily. How would I even do that? Because you can extend a thing. Oh wait, no, you can't. Because okay, let's say if you change A to B, which you actually do want to do, change a C to B or something, right? And it actually matters which one you change to, huh? It's not just a set collection thing. I don't know, really. I don't know that I know how to do this. Huh. We have 45 minutes. Like, if we change each partition, can I abstract it in a way? Like even changing an A to a B actually increases the K, right? So, or the number of things. So it's not even, I thought I could just change. And even changing this A to a B could make this 2, even though it's not optimal, but and here changing an A to a B, does that do anything? No, it can only make it worse. So you always want to change one of these, and you always want to change the first one. I guess it doesn't matter if you change the second one, but that's still 26 square. What's 26 square? 676 or something. That's cutting it close. 676 times 10,000 for Leetcode anyway. Is there another way to think about this other than coding? So you want to... I'm just trying to think about how to do brute force in a smart way, but I don't think I'm doing it. Is there a way to do one character at a time? If I do one character, how would that look? If I change this A to B, what is the recursion? About some crazy bit mask thing. I'm gonna try something really crazy and just kind of see if it works. I just don't know how to do it with the way that I had it structured. Right. I'm just gonna copy it somewhere so I have it in case. I can't prove it, so that's why I'm just trying to YOLO it. And finish it, so yeah, this will be one. Okay, and then now if not used, then we can just use it. Do we always want it to be a new one? I don't know. Oh, but you have to subtract it and not use the... Oh no, you just don't use the current one. That's fine. Right? Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, whatever then. This is more of a YOLO attempt, to be honest, because I don't know any other way. No, I got 2. Why did I get 2? If it goes +1, then... No, it's not. Oh, this is a little bit awkward. Okay, so... Yeah, this is awkward. Okay, fine. Okay. Because I can't do it this way, but... Else... If this is greater than k, then now we keep everything, but now we do 1 plus 1. But now that means that we always terminate. No, we don't terminate. No, this is fine. Yeah, okay. But now I have to do it here. This is actually J. Excuse me. But is it fast enough? I don't know. That's what I'm worried about. Actually, I mean, yeah. I mean, I don't need this, and I don't need this, so maybe that'll be faster. But I don't know, to be honest. This does not look good. And a lot of these are like, you know, but okay. How do you do random again? Maybe if I just do like, it's not random, I know, but all right, I mean, I'm just gonna YOLO. I don't know that this is gonna work. Doesn't. There's something about that's a little bit silly. I don't know. I can't prove that. I mean, I think some of it is just that a lot of the states are repeated. I think that's why I thought about this one, but it is a very tricky problem. Like I don't know that I can prove the bound definitively. It is just that the idea is based off playing with the sorry, I'm just trying to collect my thoughts. I mean, one penalty. I would have loved to see Chi win. You know, but he's been on a hot streak regardless of number one or number two. But I get it. I finished number two a couple of times. Well, I don't know if it's a couple of times, but I feel like I finished second or third, maybe. But and you just like feel like you're so close, and it's tough. It's tough. You're like anything could have prevented it from happening. So it's a little bit yeah, like I get it, but because I'm sure he's like and Q2 is a silly one. I think I don't remember what. I mean, I got it wrong. Oh yeah, it's just chess stuff, right? Like a lot of places to be silly on. What's Q3? Q3 is kind of tricky with the proof. It's a tricky contest for sure. I think Q4 is just, and some of it came from the observations that I did, but then I deleted the code on, which is kind of knowing that a lot of the states are repeated, which is what makes this work. Let me see the running time actually real quick. Not this one. Well, actually very fast, faster than my inputs. So I don't know. That's a little. But that's what I mean, right? Like with Leetcode is always a guess, because if I could have tested this earlier, then it would have been just so much easier. But it was a very weird contest for sure. Someone was just having a link on the China, so let me take a look. How many people in China beat me? Where am I at? 101. So, actually, so three plus 6. I mean, I don't know how this is not updated, right? So it's not a definitive. Oh yeah, 27 people got it on here. So hopefully I'm like top 50 or so. A lot of ping pong on my rating, but it's tough. Don't really have anything to say about this one. Sure. Q2, I just kind of. That's a pretty. I mean, I don't know if it's a hard one for Q2. It's just a way implementation you want for Q2. Right, because yeah, and I think I just kind of took a shortcut because I kind of cheated on the meta. Or I just didn't think it through, because to be honest, just like Q2 recently has not been requiring much thinking, so I just kind of shut my brain off on that one. Clearly I should have kept a little brain, but I mean that 5 minutes I don't really care about, so it's fine. Let's switch this kind of update. Oh, there we go, a quick update. So I'm 11 plus. Like what I was trying to look at a China one, but I didn't have the China one. Plus like 3 or 4. So a lot of people have a lot of wrong answers. So I guess the other finishers have wrong answers. But Is Chi hitting 3,000? It's pretty close, right? Oh. So yeah. I mean, yeah. There's that other thing. Someone had that other link. What was that other particular link? C list or something? I don't really have much to say about this one. I mean, I thought I did okay. Q4 is definitely a very tricky one. And it's not even tricky in terms of implementation. It's just tricky in terms of just the proofs. I think that's the hard part. And the proof is just on that there are not that many states. Did I miss the price? Oops. Oh, I get a notebook. I don't know. I mean, if I'm 11th in Asia, or not Asia, the US, or the non-China, I guess, that means I get a notebook instead of a water bottle. I would have liked a water bottle. I have enough. I have notebooks here, so yeah, it's fine, I guess. But yeah, I mean, sorry, friends. I'm just kind of I don't know. There's not much to say about this one after this, but I mean, 11th is pretty good. I'm not going to complain about 11th, but I definitely have just a lot of consistency issues. But I think most of the consistency issues are related to not getting enough sleep. So I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, that's what I have for today, though. I don't think I have any more to say. I'm sorry that you're watching me like going on Discord and just hanging out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.